welcome to my channel, At Home with Tracie. And I'm Tracie. I'm going to take you through the exact process I would if I was working with a client. I am starting with my bedroom because I want to wake up and go to sleep in a beautiful room. And right now it's very plain. I have since moved out of that room, getting it prepared to make the transition to the sanctuary that I want. We will go over my plans and my processes. And I'll also show you my mood board for this room. So I'm excited to share. We will start with taking photos and measurements. When you take your pictures, take pictures of the entire space. And once you take your pictures, measure all walls and windows. Now let's create a vision board. This is the fun part. I create a vision board every year, and so I wanted to really focus on home. And interesting enough, this channel is a manifestation of this vision board. After the vision board, and I would say this is maybe a week or so after, I created this vision board in Pinterest, so it's on my phone as well. Next, we will collect some samples. This is so fun. Well, I have two moldings. There's this one that's got this curve that will go up, that may go up, and then there's this one that's got a little more decorative style. This is my collection of samples. As you could see, I picked up a lot of them, and this isn't even the beginning. But they're fun to have, and they really bring your vision to life. So I'd say some cost, some are free. So I'd say pick up as many as you can. Now let's go shopping. Let's create that mood board. My mood board is my blueprint, so to speak, my North Star. It keeps me centered and guided. So what you'll see here are some nightstands, a chandelier, some really pretty pillows, the flooring that I'm choosing, that's the rug that I might get. I think I'll get a round one. I'm going to paint the floor black. I'm probably going to make this lamp or recreate this lamp. We'll see. It's about $600, so most likely, yes. The molding, the plants, the drapery is going to be dramatic, and I love that bed, but it's about $2,000. This total mood board is about $6,500. I'm trying to only do $500, so we'll see. Oh, and these knobs, I love these knobs. My grandmother had them in her home. They're crystal knobs. I found them on Amazon, so I will be purchasing those. It's that little vintage, that little vintage detail. If you want to create something similar, I created this in Design File, but there's also Morpholio and then Canva. So, and those are some inexpensive options and easy. This is the headboard of the bed that I got on Facebook Market. So we'll see how that works. Not sure yet. And this is where you can test your paint and review your samples. I'm going to do a microchromatic scheme. Girl, it's monochromatic. Moody, so the ceiling's going to be painted the same color as the walls, the molding, the doors. All going to be one color. I don't know if you can see it. but it's like a really nice, I don't even know what to call it. It's not like not a peach, not a pink, but it's really pretty. And this is the popular Sulking Room by Farrow and Ball, which is also a nice color. I got it color matched at a hardware store, and I think I used Benjamin Moore, and they color matched it. It's a lot less expensive than going through Farrow and Ball, which I believe for the paint I want, it's $130 or so, maybe more. I think $130 per gallon. And I believe Benjamin Moore is about $50 per gallon, 55, 60, depending on the brand or the line you get. And then Claire's paint is about $75 a gallon. This is a really nice one too. I really like that one as well. It's called Sabrosa. So here we will decide what we're keeping, what we're moving, and what we're tossing. So here I'm just taking apart my bed, and I'm going to keep the bed frame. It may be good for repurposing or putting in another room. However, other stuff will not be coming back into this space. It's going to be new and improved. This is a great time to declutter. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. In the meantime, if you please like, share, and subscribe. Toodaloo. Toodaloo.